Hey, what's up? We're down here at our tiki hut and we're going to take a look at our saltwater lagoon and this cool new solar pump we got for our waterfall. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is a Poposoap Solar Pump filter kit. Comes with its own solar panels. They fold up for convenience. A cool little pump that's driven directly by the solar panels. A hose for the water. This filter box and filter media. And a variety of fountain options and a full set of instructions. We're going to hook it up to our waterfall, which, all right, I'm going to show you how this all works. This is the filter box. Inside is filled with these media balls. These provide a lot of little spaces for bacteria and microorganisms to make their homes. Basically, the fish poop in the water and the crab poop and excess food and all that gets sucked into here, and the biological organisms will purify the water. Some little Velcro straps down here to secure the pump. The pump goes in the filter box. Okay, I'm going to pour these balls out for the moment so we can get this set up. Okay, so the pump's going to get strapped right down here. We'll start with that. I didn't even read the instructions. It's just totally intuitive. There's also suction cups on the bottom of the pump to help it stick to the bottom. Okay, we're going to stick it right there. Velcro her down. Okay, pump's Velcro down. Got a little channel there for the solar panel wire. This goes directly up to the solar panel. Okay, so we have our tubing. Next thing we do is pour in the balls, filter media. The tubing goes right there in the pump. And then we thread the tubing through this filter media. The water comes in this way. And there's two meshes. There's a fine mesh, we put that one at the bottom. A coarse mesh that goes on there, so we just slide these on down. They're going to tuck right in here. Now, once a week or so, you want to take this apart and rinse these out. Okay, and then we thread the hose through the top, which is the ultimate leaf catcher grill, so that fish and stuff don't swim in there. That goes down just like that. It all goes together. Snap on these little clips. There, it's all together. It's that simple. Get all the air out. Just rock on it a little bit. That'll help hide it. Yeah. Alright, before I go too far, we're going to plug it in and make sure it works. We're going to put the solar panel up on the roof. We already have one big solar panel up there. That runs our pool. Okay, we got the wire coming up from the pump. And I'm really happy that it gave us a nice long wire. It reached all the way up here. It's a simple plug-in, screw down. We have contact. All right. That's a pretty good stream for that little pump. And it's a cloudy day. There's hardly any sun. And it's cranking.